What's up guys, it's theshyarmytv. Today I'm going to be doing a very weird video, so make sure to check that out. I haven't done it before, so if you enjoy it, make sure to share it with your friends and also like it. Also, always subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Take care.
You speak English or what? What? You playing with me? Me too. I need that too. You speak English or what? What does that mean? Go through that door.
¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? ¿Te jodiste?
A ver, you wanna dance?
We're gonna get the honor. Get on. It's closed.
There's no way to
It's
go to
closed.
the other side.
It's closed in the front.
What's wrong with you?